All right, folks, they're off. On the yellow side, Oakville Fire. On the red side, your home team, Hamilton Fire. Come on, folks, let's cheer these two teams on. Hamilton with the donor roll first. Let's go, Hamilton. Cheer on your home team. On the yellow side, Oakville Fire. And on the red side, Hamilton Fire. Oakville with a slight lead onto the force machine. Hamilton trying to catch up.
Hit it!
Oakville Fire! Oakville Fire on the other side. Let's cheer on your home team on the red side. Hamilton Fire.